I've gone for a bar. It's actually a hole that I use to clean the house, weed around. I've just gone for it. This is just an improvisation. So I put the bar into, I put the wheel spanner into the bar, and now as you can see, it is moving. It's moving. So I'll do the same for the rest. I'll do same for the rest of the bolts. Yeah, so this is working. This is working. Just have to be careful I don't scratch the car with this razor-like edges. Okay, so it's working. Thankfully, it's working. Do the same thing. Yeah, but one thing I almost forgot is that we need to put a stone or something to lock the ties, front and back, so it's not too late. Let me just look for a stone